Hello everybody, Mark Anthony, the Vegas Tourist, and today I am at Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam, one of the mechanical wonders of the modern age, built in the middle of the Mojave Desert during the Great Depression and literally in the middle of nowhere. It still stands today as a symbol of America's greatness and our determination as a nation to overcome any obstacles we face. It shows what happens when we really want to try things. Its first tours were in 1937, and the tourists rode down in an elevator that held 15 people. In 1995, they opened up a new visitor center with custom-built elevators that took tour guests down into the generator overlooks. 2 elevators holding 45 people each. A few years ago, the elevator started to have serious breakdown issues, and the Bureau of Reclamation, the government agency in charge of the dam, along with the other government entities, started to work on a plan to modernize the visitor center as well as replace the elevators. Last fall, that project began, shutting down the regular tour. If you did do a Hoover Dam, you had limited access to the visitor center and an opportunity to see the generators, if you waited in line outside for a trip down those original tour elevator. The problem was that the original tour elevator, singular, held 15 people and was also used as a rescue elevator if the employee elevator on the Arizona side failed. So if they had any issues on the Arizona side, the elevator on the Nevada side was closed as a precaution, slowing the tours down to hours-long waits. Well, the beginning of March, the visitor center reopened with a facelift inside, some new interactive exhibits, and of course, brand new pair of shiny elevators that again can hold 45 people each. Beside the new elevators, the entrance and the exhibit area are brighter, more open, and contain some new interactive displays that will help people understand geothermal, wind, and of course, hydroelectricity. In essence, it's coming into the 21st century, and the dam is always worth a visit. The good news is that you no longer have to worry about being trapped down at the bottom of a concrete dam. So if you're coming out to Las Vegas, you really need to come out and see this marvel of American ingenuity. We built some amazing shit back then. I'm Mark Anthony, the Vegas Tourist. Don't forget to check out my other videos on Hoover Dam as well. Leave me your comments or questions down below in the show notes or visit the website at thevegastourist.com for all the details. I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and check the show notes for all the links and updates. Okay, this is Mark Anthony, and I will see you all next time.